Across North America, IPEX's Kwikon electrical non-metallic tubing has been saving contractors time and money on job sites for over 2 decades. Lightweight, flexible, and affordable, Kwikon is the perfect alternative to metal and PVC conduits. The product line consists of tubing, fittings, slab boxes, form stubbies, and accessories. Kwikon ENT increases the speed of assembly, ultimately saving time and money by reducing installation costs while saving valuable man-hours. When you add up the material costs, lower on-site labor costs, and overall project savings, Kwikon ENT could account for as much as 50% savings in labor costs compared to traditional piping systems. For almost 2 decades, Kwikon has been used extensively because of its unique benefits such as locking tab design. It reduces the time of installation and impacts the rate of the building's completion. Electricians who rely on Kwikon every day tell us we get it right on every count, be it ENT, fittings, slab boxes, stubbies, and accessories.
My name's Cody Prue. I've worked with Panson for 11 years. I'm currently the foreman at the Forest Hill job. The condo is going to be about 17 stories tall, and then it's going to stand up top with a mechanical penthouse. There's a lot of pros to the product itself. It's a great material to house the wire to bring power from one place to another.
My name's Carlo Piccone. I've been doing electrical for 5 years now with Panson Electric. The best part of working with ENT is the reliability. It doesn't crack, the couplings never fail, the boots aren't breaking or lifting so that there's no concrete getting inside the pipe. For the most part, we use all ENT products on our job sites. I like ENT because it's a lot lighter, it's a lot flexible, it's easy to nail down. It's just a high quality product that we know we can trust.
This is why engineers and contractors depend on Kwikon's integrated ENT system to make projects easier, cost-effective, and more importantly, faster. If that's not enough, we have a dedicated army of technical sales and support reps across the country to support your projects, making Kwikon the #1 choice of contractors. IPEX, made for America pipe and fitting solutions for infrastructure that lasts. That's building it right together.